Okay, so we are trying to maximize an objective function, and the objective function is down here. And what it is saying is there's two things that are linked to our profit, X and Y. Y contributes to our profit, X takes away from it. So maybe, I don't know, X could be the amount of hours that people work. So you have to pay them for those. And then Y could be how much you make for the product, things like that. And these are our constraints, y equals 3x plus 4. Okay, so that's this line right here. And it says less than or equal to, so that would be this area over here, below that line. Blue was a bad choice for that color, for that line. Then we have another constraint, x plus 1, so that's this line right here, and we have to be above that line. That's this area up here. Then we have x has to be greater than 1 and less than 6. Wrong color. So that means it has to be between here and that line. And then the last one, y has to be less than or equal to 7. So that's this line. It needs to be down here. So where all your shaded regions overlap, that is your feasible region. It's all the things that x and y could be together and still fit the requirements. So each point here represents an option. And that's a lot of options. It's a big area. And so we want to look at the points where in that area that could potentially give us the maximum profit or maybe the minimum profit, depending on what you're looking for. So we got one point here, here, and here. So you're going to label those points. This one is 6, 7. This one down here would be 1, 2. Probably not going to maximize us. We'll see. And then up here we've got 1, 7. I like that one. That looks like a good point. So those are our points. That's an x, comma, y. And then p, whoops. So now we're going to plug each point into the objective function and see which one gives us the biggest value. So we're going to have negative 4 times x, which is 6, plus 3 times 7, and that equals negative 3. That's not great. That's profit. Then we've got negative 4 times 1, plus 3 times 2, negative 4 plus 6, and that is a positive 2, so that's good, that's profit. Negative 4 times 1 plus 3 times 7, here we go. Negative 4 plus 21, that is 17. So 1 comma 7 maximizes P. And if you can use math to do stuff like that in the workplace, you become a valuable person because you can make sure that if you have a company or if you have a work crew, that they are working in the way that is the most cost effective. So there you go.